Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on how to create the side shaft gear. Begin by creating an assembly. Enable your toolbox, go to ISO, power transition, gears, and select the straight bevel gear. Copy the following configurations, and it's important to have the face width, hub diameter, and mounting distance as shown. This will allow for proper connection to the side shaft and to the gear crank. Now for the second part of the tutorial, you'll create a new part file and drag in the gear that we just created. Make sure that your unit of measurement is an IPS. So click on the back face of the gear, and you take your centerline feature to find the center point of the inner circle. Now take the circle feature and create a circle that's the same width as the back face. Now using our extrude feature, we'll extrude the circle half an inch in this direction. Now click on the back face once more. We'll be creating a circle for the connection point for the crank. So find the center, create a circle. Using the smart dimension, we'll change the dimension of the diameter to 0.5 of an inch so that it has the best clearance possible with the gear crank. And now we'll use the extrude cut feature, and we'll extrude cut blind 0 to half an inch. Click confirm. Now we'd like to create a sketch on this face right here, and we're going to create a sketch using the circle, and we're going to find the center point of this circle, click confirm, and we're going to extrude 0.02 of an inch in the opposite direction. This is to create a boundary between the connection point for the gear shaft and the gear crank. Now we're going to create a fillet. So find your fillet feature, click on this curve, and we're going to fillet with a radius of 0.5 and click confirm.